Well, hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. It is the last installment of Christmas in July Swap 2024, hosted by our friend Carol at Crinkle Path and co-hosted by Bianca at BB's Closet Creations and Sarah at New England Junk Journals, as well as myself. And all of the participants are listed in the description, along with all of those friends that are participating on the Makers Market. And if you're not familiar, hop into the description, check out some of those friends, and go jump on the Makers Market so you can see what everybody is getting. So this is my final package. Isn't it beautiful? Now, I will tell you that I really thought that my Secret Santa was Dolores because of the Little House on the Prairie homage. And just a little recap before I show you who my Secret Santa is, because it says right on that envelope. Santa gave me all of these awesome things that just blend so well together. And at first I did think that there was a chance that it also might be Sandy, who is Sandy at Wilhelmina Junk Journals, because this milk pog is from Rhinelander, Wisconsin. She's from Wisconsin. So let me show you. There's all of the Little House on the Prairie stuff. So I thought maybe it was Dolores, but no, it isn't. Because look what this says. From one Angela to another. Girl, you are sneaky. And if you do not know Miss Angela, beautiful calligraphy, by the way, go to Angela at Create with Angela and check her out. She's got a new YouTube channel. She is lovely and she does some really cute things. And let's see. She says, I have the original Little House items. They are not postcards. They were postcards and a booklet from the Historical Society in Plum Creek. Her youngest daughter is a huge Little House on the Prairie fan. Aw. I hope that strawberry items will work with your project. Oh, girl, they will, they will, they will. I will enjoy everything. And she says, I hope you enjoy the dyed papers that I made. Yeah. These are scrumptious. I'm going to keep that twine right there. Look at this. I have dyeing paper on my list of things that I need to do. These are really tremendous. You guys, and there's a lot of work that goes into dyeing paper. Look at the daisies. I don't know if they're daisies, but I'm calling them daisies. These are precious. You know I'll hoard these because I'm particularly in love with them. Oh, cute. Look at that. Love the color, the depth of the color. Angela, you should sell these on the Makers Market. These are pristine. Really, they truly are. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at the yellow. Yeah, I vote we need some of these on the Makers Market. For sure. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. I'm so excited to know that it's you. And you know, the thing is that like these yellows will go with any season. So will the whites. So will these creamies. Oh, very versatile. So now you know all of the ones she sent me before, she made those too. Impressive, impressive. What's in this little thing? Ooh, I feel napkins. I'm not going to be disappointed in that. Look at this cool bag. I love that. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. Oh, these are adorable. See, this is what I'm saying. I love getting napkins because they're always napkins that I don't have. Like, I don't have any of these. And now I just built a whole, you know, with the help of Angela, just built a whole new stash. And the thing is, look how long these are going to last. Like, come on, that's a lot of napkin. Wow. It totally makes me want to bust out all my Christmas stuff. This might be my favorite. I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's wait to open these, because I want to look at this. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of paper here. Yes. Oh my goodness. These 100%. I've ordered a lot of paper, and your designs are second to none, my friend. I would buy these all day long, and I'm just so happy that I was gifted these, because I will be using them. Oh my gosh, this color. That's gorgeous. Okay, Angela, my vote's for you. And an Ideals Christmas. These are all day long. You know, one thing I have not done with an Ideals, I made a journal from an Ideals. I love them for pages. But one thing I think it would be fun to do with, besides making like a complete altered book out of this, I think it might also be fun to use up the full pages, like use every single page of this and challenge myself. You know how I like to challenge myself. To use all the pages in this. Oh, look at little Norman Rockwell. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I love that. You know why? Because it looks like chroma collage. That's why. I do owe you guys a video on what is chroma collage, because it's just something I made up, but I really enjoy doing it, and I call it that all the time. Okay, I'm going to wait to open this up until I open these up. All right. What's in here? These are really pretty. Oh, this is... Look at how cute that is. So it's little pieces of fabric, and then she's sewn on it and then cut it to size. I wonder if she... Okay, I'm going to ask you, Angela. Did you make like a master board and then cut these out, or did you make each substrate, each base, and then put these all on there? Because they're perfect. I'm curious. Very curious. Oops, I didn't get this open all the way. This pocket is really heavy. Really heavy. Ooh, what's this? A partridge in a pear tree. 2 turtle... 3 French hens. This is awesome. Oh my goodness. These are so neat. I have never seen anything like these. 10 Lords of Leaving. Wow. The 12 Days of Christmas. Those are precious. I'm going to put these right back in here and put them with my Christmas goodies, because when I get them out, I will be reminded of you, and I can decide to do something fun with them. How precious are those? I literally have never seen those. Have you guys seen those before? And all the people that I've watched that have done hauls, I've never seen those either. These are cool. Wow. Oh, and there's different styles. Ooh, we got Santa's to-do list. 'Tis the season to be baking. Making a list. These are cool. Super cute. I love these bags. Again, never had anything like those. Oh, there's something inside of this one too. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's Santa drinking a Coke. These are Norman Rockwell ones too. Oh, look at the cardinals. I love cardinals. Oh, these are so fun. This. Yes, I think there's something in here too. Okay, so far this one's my favorite. These are neat. I'm assuming they're vintage and they're like embossed. Were they coasters maybe? bet they were. Those are neat. They're kind of flockied, sort of. Kinda. And then this one's super cute too, with bulbs. I get so tired of flowery rhymes. My friends don't talk that way. I much prefer a simple wish that only tries to say a Merry Christmas. Amen. It's from Clifford to Charlie. Thank you, my dear. Lovely. Everything is so fun. All right, I'm going to keep this for last. But this has me intrigued. There's never been a bag of baubles that I don't love to go through, and this is no exception. Oh, here's a little milk. Eggnog. Okay, are you eggnog yes or eggnog no? I am definitely eggnog. I love eggnog. And then we got these wooden beads. Those are super cute. This has a little deer on it. A gnome. And then this one has, the Christmas truck. That's cute. Okay, I already see what might be my favorite. Little stocking. Some red and green flowers. Gold stars. Those are cute. I bet you used one of those on that tree, didn't you? Oh, I see a gingerbread little guy. Cute. Some snowflakes. But these are definitely my favorite right here. Those are precious. And they're beads. I see the holes in them. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh, I love these. Those are cute. I don't know. They're not resin. Maybe they're plastic, but they're really awesome. So cute. Thank you so much. I just have so many cool things that all go together. It makes me happy. So this is like a little folio flippity. Oh, look how she did that. She put it through where she tied it or bound it. That's cute. Ooh, this is going to have lots of stuff in it. I can tell. Santa Claus partner. Ebb as if the tide about his heart had suddenly sunk lower. That's so cute. I love how you did that. Everything just coordinates so beautifully. And then you open this part up. Oh, look at that. It's got a little notepad. Very cute. And the notepad is in this little pocket. Cute. Look at that. I love this. This would be cute to use for all of your plans. Look at that. For Christmas, you know, what you're going to give for gifts. If you've got parties to prep for, if you've got places to go. Look at, there's another one. That's cute. Christmas & Co. This little side pocket. Cute little coffee dyed tag. Oh, lots of journaling space. That makes it really nice. And then this is more papers. All looks like these are all coffee dyed and tea stained. Oh, I love it. So cute. So that goes like that. And it goes like this. And like that. This is lovely. Oh, Angela, I'm so glad that I have got to meet you through this swap. And a special thanks for Carol, or to Carol, for bringing us all together and celebrating Christmas in July. And just the importance of friendship and meeting new people and our community. It means a lot to me. And your beautiful gifts and thoughtfulness is no exception. I love every single thing. Truly. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this for a while. But I promise I will. I just think it's gorgeous. So I got all of those yummies from here. I'm going to put the dyed paper because I have a special spot for that. So now that I have unveiled my Secret Santa, I can put all of that together so I can put it away with my other dyed papers and hoard them accordingly. And then if you don't remember, if you didn't see this video, this was my strawberry gift. Everything so perfectly coordinated. I love it all. So now, Angela, I can put all of this away in its nice little special home. And I will think about it often when I take these little items out and work on those things that are so fun for me to create. Strawberries and kitchen and farm journals and Little House on the Prairie. It's going to be so much fun. So you guys are all very special to me. Please, if you haven't, hop over and check Angela out. Show her some love. And I wish you all the very best. We will talk to you soon. And until next Christmas, in July, take some time between now and then to remember to just be. And we will talk to you soon. Cheers.